everyone. Today we are here at Hyderabad's most hyped mall on Instagram, that is the Lakeshore Mall. Let's explore it and see what's in here. Come on.
It has some really cool brand outlets like Comet and Bonkers, which we won't find even in other big malls. I loved Comet's outlet the most. All the standard outlets like Snitch, Max, etc. were there. The economical stores pulled the maximum crowd like Market 99, which had items starting 29. There were a few cool photo booths as well, and to everyone's surprise, a subtle lawn outside which was really beautiful. Majority of the stores are still in the making, and it's mentioned everywhere that something exciting is taking shape. This mall is connected to the Balanagar metro station, so you can easily reach here through the metro. So do come and check out here. Thank you.